In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2019 on VMware Workstation. Hey geeks, this is Ruban and you are watching Offbeat. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notification. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to perform a clean installation of Windows Server 2019. A clean installation refers how to install the operating system onto a computer that does not have an operating system present. So before we start, let's look at the system requirements. If we are talking about the processor, it requires 64-bit processor with 4 GHz speed, gigs of RAM for desktop experience of course, and hard disk minimum amount required is 80 GB. As an installation media, you need a bootable DVD or CD or a bootable USB drive. In this video, I am going to install it on my VMware, so I just need a ISO file. But if you need a bootable USB drive, just scroll down to this article and you will find another article link that how to create a bootable USB or CD DVD drive. So you can follow this and you will learn how to do it. The most important thing is the ISO file. So to get this ISO file, just click on this link or you can visit the Microsoft Evaluation Center. Over here you will find a Windows Server 2019 with 180 days of license. Now just scroll down and in this section select ISO and then click on continue. Here you need to put your first name, last name. Let's put Ruban Wall, company name Offbeat. Let's talk about the company size is 224 and job title IT Professional Research System Admin. Okay, let's put you can actually put anything. Then Offbeat official@gmail.com and let's put the work phone number. Don't try it, this is the wrong number, this is not my exact number. This India. Don't forget to tick on this box and click on continue. Now just select your language. In my case I will select English and click download. So as you can see the download started, but I will not download it, so I cancel it because I have already downloaded it. So this is how you can download the Windows Server 2019 ISO file, official Windows Server 2019 ISO file. So now just open up the Workstation 15.5 Pro. To create a virtual machine, first click on this option, create a new virtual machine. Now the virtual machine creation wizard is there. Now choose typical, then click next. Here are 3 options. I used to choose the last one. I will install the operating system later and click next. Now you have to choose the guest operating system, and in my case the guest operating system is of course Microsoft Windows. Now from this drop down you have to choose the version. So in my case I'm going to install a Windows Server 2019, but it is not there, so click on Windows Server 2016. Now click next. So now this is a virtual machine name. So what name you want to give your virtual machine, you can change it over here. I'll just keep it as the default. And this is a location where the all data will save. So I just click on browse and choose my desired location. Just let me browse it. So I have customized my location. Now click next. So by default it is showing 60 GB, but I'll give it 80 GB as recommended. I'll give that minimum amount only. Click next. Now as you can see the memory is 1024 means 1 gigs, but I need to customize it because the minimum amount required for graphical installation is 2 gigs. So I'll just click on I click on customize hardware. Here select the memory, and from here just you can change the amount, or you can also simply drag it. So now I click it's done. I click close. Now click finish. Now my virtual machine is ready. Next I have to first just let me maximize it. Next I have to point my ISO file to boot, right? So click on this option, CD DVD. Okay, now click on use ISO image file. Now click on browse and select your ISO file. In my case, let me locate it here. Windows Server 2019. This is the ISO file. Click open. Click OK. Now it's time to power on the virtual machine. Press any key. In this screen, you can choose the language of the installation, time and currency format, and the keyboard or input method. So I just leave it as default and click next. Click install now. So here are 4 individual options. The first option is standard evaluation. Next option is standard evaluation with the desktop experience, data center evaluation, and the data center evaluation with the desktop experience. So here I will choose standard evaluation with desktop experience and click on next. If you want, you can go through the all the notice, but I would like to skip it. Accept the license term and then click next. Oh wait, from here choose custom. Now in this screen you can see the hard disk with the unallocated space amount of 80 GB. So I just leave it as it is and click on next, and now sit back and wait for the next screen. Here we have to type a password for the built-in administrator account that can use for the sign in onto this computer. So let's put a password. You have done with your password, click finish. Oops, password didn't match. Put the administrator password to login. Well, we have successfully installed Windows Server 2019 with the desktop experience and ready for the further configuration. Hey geeks, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.